Hey you, I have been recording screencasts every single day for my other classes, and I hardly ever record for you. And so I just wanted to say hi. I just feel like I know you so well, and you're so self-sufficient that you don't need this. But I really just want you to know that I miss you, and I think about you every day. And every time that I make a lesson plan for you, I actually think about you sitting in your seat, and I look at your face. And when I write your name, I think about your voice, and is that creepy? Sorry. But I just want you to know I miss you and I hope you're hanging in there. And I know that you're frustrated with all of this and you just want to be done. I get it. I totally get it. So I'm trying to make this kind of fun and applicable. I hope like when you're done with things, you're like, oh, that was helpful. And if you're not, it didn't kill you in the process. So um, this whole like splitting you into two groups has been a little bit of a struggle. Um, and having G to G work done by class and DECA is a little bit of struggle, but I kind of knew that going into it. So today is a little bit different because we just need to gather stuff and organize. So I don't really need the G to G group to work today, but I'm going to have you all do the same thing unless you want to go in on the Zoom. So right now we have a Zoom scheduled for 11 o'clock on Thursday today. But it might change to 7. I really need Ellie Bordeaux to be in it because she's in charge of social media for DECA, but she can't be in it until like 7. So if she's the only one that can make it at 7, everybody else can make it 11, which it sounds like right now. I just found out that she couldn't make it till 7, then I'll keep it 11. So if you're in the G2G group, you can choose to come to the Zoom. It'll just be a meeting, or you can do this assignment. So if you're up early and you're like, I just want to be done, then just do this assignment. That's totally fine. But if you are up later and it's like close to 11, look at your email and you can do the Zoom instead of doing this assignment. This is actually pretty practical though, to be honest with you. So it's just a podcast on college planning, money, finances, and I found this podcast. I've just found a million podcasts, and none of them have been great for you. Like, there's been a couple that have been good for me, but this one I feel like is pretty applicable. I'm just in the middle of one of them about 50 tips for saving money, right here, and living on a tight budget in college. So I'm gonna share that. I shared that with Mia today. So if you want to do that, it's just a quick little assignment, and you're going to be just putting together your thoughts on what you learned from the podcast just in this doc so we can all learn from you. So next week we'll be just broadcasting G2G, virtual G2G posts. So if you're in that group, we'll ask you to keep reposting everything that Ellie posts and the school district posts. If you're not in that group, we'd love for you to do the same just to get the word out there. I sent a message to the whole district today that we were doing it, and they're so excited. I got so many replies. It's crazy. Other than that, I hope your life is great. Just been kind of running around. I'm actually back from Arizona. Somebody mentioned today that I'm still there. I'm back. I may actually go to Minnesota next week because my parents are coming back. So it's just been challenging. Obviously, we're trying to get care for her and yeah, so hiring somebody to take care of her when I just want to do it myself. So anyway, other than that, I've been playing jokes. This is my joke on Peyton. I don't know if you can see this. Let's do this backwards. It's the toilet smoking one that all of you have seen. I thought it was so funny and I hadn't really seen it. One of my former students, Morgan Larson, posted a video of her tricking her fiance with it. And I thought it was really funny. And Peyton ended up just saying, hey, I've already seen it. And then he told me I did it wrong, that you're supposed to do it like this with the toilet paper rolls like that. So if you haven't seen that one, it's such a funny one to play in your family. And all of you are probably rolling your eyes like, I have seen that one. It's been done. But he was like, Mom, I've seen that one. And then other than that, we have some baby robins. You can see that too. Just outside of our front window. The third one just hatched. That's the excitement I've got going on. I might mow the lawn, and that's exciting. I hope you had a beautiful day, and I will talk with you soon. Have a great Memorial Day weekend. Please stay safe, stay apart, and I miss you so much, and I can't wait to see you. I'll have a little surprise for seniors when you pick up your cap and gown, and the rest of you, I can't wait to see you. I miss you. Have a great weekend.